magacaygu waa Maxamed Xasan Aadan.
My name is Mohammed Hassan. This is my farm. I created it in 1993 and I have been working on it since then. It is how I have been working my living, getting income and raising my family. Thanks to God, I got some investment. As you can see today, it looks much better than it did before. During the growing season, I had to depend on rain, but now thanks to the investment from Shuraako, I have water available through the borehole. Prior to the investment, I had 6 employees, now I have 10. My profit has increased. At this time of the year, I had never sold vegetable, fruit, or anything. Since I have received this loan, it has allowed me to get water. Now my farm is producing more cash crop and more profit. I have a lot of land and in the long run, I want to expand my farm. We built borehole in July of 2014. I have started running the water that month and I haven't stopped one day since then. The well hasn't dried up, so it has been really successful. As you can see, we are dividing the water across 3 sections of the farm and each area is going smoothly. I have no issue. Of course, it's going to help in Nugal region. All the vegetables come from the farm around here. If we get more investment, we can spread to Hargeisa, Las Anod, Galkayo, and other cities. If people in the other cities have access to capital, it will definitely create more jobs. At my farm, I hire 4 extra people. In the next couple months, I will hire 2 more people, making 6 new employees. Imagine if each one of those farms created 10 to 20 jobs. Don't forget the 200 indirect job, transport, produce and sell it at the market.